In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Calendly calls to GoHighLevel pipeline. By the end, your Calendly bookings will be linked to GoHighLevel so new meetings can flow into your CRM and trigger your existing automations and pipeline processes. Start by opening your GoHighLevel account and making sure you're in the correct location or sub-account, especially if you manage multiple clients. You'll need permissions to access settings, so if you don't see certain options, check your role with the account admin. Head down to the bottom left corner and click Settings. If your sidebar is collapsed, expand it so the settings label is visible. Inside Settings, choose Calendars. This is where GoHighLevel centralizes scheduling tools and external calendar connections, which is why we'll do the Calendly link here. Within Calendars, go to the Connections tab. Think of this as the hub where you add and manage scheduling providers that feed data into GoHighLevel. Click Add New to open the list of providers. From the options presented, select Calendly. This tells GoHighLevel which platform you want to authorize so it can receive booking details like invitee information, dates, and times. Next, click Connect. A new window will open from Calendly. If nothing pops up, check your browser's pop-up blocker and allow the window for this site. You can sign into Calendly either by entering your email and password or by continuing with Google. Use the Calendly account that actually owns the event types you want to sync. If you have multiple Google profiles in your browser, confirm you're choosing the correct one to avoid linking the wrong workspace. After signing in, Calendly will ask you to approve the connection. Click Connect or Allow to grant the requested permissions. These permissions let GoHighLevel read your scheduling data so it can create or update contacts and pass booking details to your workflows. You can always manage or revoke access later from your account settings if needed. Once authorized, you'll be returned to GoHighLevel. You should now see Calendly listed as connected in the Connections tab. If the status doesn't appear right away, refresh the page or reopen the Calendars section. From here, your existing GoHighLevel automations and pipeline rules can act on new Calendly bookings. If you don't see bookings show up as expected, confirm you're connected to the correct Calendly account, check time zone settings, and make sure your workflows that create opportunities are active. That's it. Your Calendly is now connected to GoHighLevel, setting the stage for smooth, automated pipeline updates from every booked call.